Abdullah,
Yes.
what is
This
this?
is the money board.
Okay, what we will do?
I put that coin.
You will put a coin
Look.
and then we will share these coins with our friends.
Yes.
Okay, good boy. Now,
This
what
is
we
Daddy.
sharing is a caring. Now, what we have to do?
Yes.
This is a
Watch.
smartwatch. Okay, and we will unbox it. Okay, let's do it together.
Yes.
Open. Not like this. Not like this.
Okay. Ah, they give me. I open.
You open. Good boy, like this.
Oopsie.
Yes. You can easily tear from here.
Wait, this one.
This is yours. Give me this one. And now let me check what is it. It's a let me. It's a Bluetooth calling. It's a ECG measuring, and it's a face dial. It's a sports mode. It's a weather forecast, and oh my God, these are so many applications in this watch. Wow. Let me check the other side. And this one is T9 Plus. Okay, now let's open. Open.
First.
Wait. Be gently. Wow.
This mine.
This is yours. Now please tell me what is the color of your watch?
Black.
It's a black one.
Wait. I wait. We open.
Okay, you are removing the protector. Okay, now show me.
Look.
Wow, it's very
This
nice.
is the gadget. Like this.
Good. Show me.
Like you put it like this. No.
Not like this.
Like this. You put it like this. No. Put it.
Do it in front of this one. Here. Now show me this one.
Oh yeah.
Now you can charge from here. This is the charger. Okay. This one and this one. Look. These are the two pins. And these are the two chips. You have to put it like this. When you have to charge, you have to put it like this one. Okay, but right now we are not going to charge it. We will attach the straps. Okay, this one we will attach it like this.
Yes.
Wait. Wait. Like this.
Oh, that is it.
It's really hard to attach. Wait, let me check. Wait. I will do it again like this. This one like this.
Oh no. Oh my God. It's too hard then.
It's too hard. Yes. It's almost done. Wait a moment. Yes, it's almost done. Give me the other strap. This one we will attach it over here like this. Okay, this pin should be the downside, on the downside. Like this. Yes. A little force is required to attach it.
Yay!
Wow. Okay. Let me check. It will turn on. I think we have to charge it first. Okay. Now show me. Now show me. Wow, it looks so nice.
Same to same blend.
Yes, like this.
This is black, this is green, this is black. This is again.
Like this. And
Almost.
it's almost wait. Like this. Yes, you have to insert it over here. And wait a moment. One more time. Show me. Yes. Wait.
See.
Wait.
It's not there.
Like this. First insert this one. Yes, like this. This will become out. Okay? And now give me your hand. Put it like this. And like this. It's little bit loose, but it's almost fine. Okay, now let's charge it. Okay?